Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix Facebook watched video icon not showing. As you can see, there is no watched video icon here available. There are many methods to solve this problem. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, the first method is as what you have to do, you have to simply click on profile. After that, you have to click on settings. In setting, what you have to do, you have to look for settings of the profile. In profile setting, if you scroll down, then here you will find the shortcut bar. In shortcut bar you will find many options which are pinned to your shortcuts. As you can see, here is the watch option which is hidden, so you can select any of the option which has pin and auto. If you select pin, then your watch video icon will be available again. As you can see, if you refresh your Facebook, then after a few times you will get your, if you do not get, then what you have to do, you have to close all the apps and you have to open the Facebook app again. As you can see, the watch video icon is now available. If the problem is still there, you can simply close the Facebook app and you can simply open the settings. In setting, what you have to do, you have to look for apps or application manager. In apps or application manager, you have to look for app management. In app management, you have to simply search for Facebook. As you can see, after searching Facebook, you can simply click on storage use, and here you have to clear the cache of your Facebook app. If you click on clear the cache, then all the Facebook cache will be cleared from here. After clearing the cache, you can again open your Facebook app and your problem will be solved if you refresh your Facebook. In this way, you can solve the problem of Facebook watch icon missing. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.